And we are getting in some more breaking news coming in. Sources now say in order to increase the access of vaccines to all those above the age of 45 years, COVID-19 vaccination sessions may now be organized at public and private workplaces, having about 100 eligible and willing beneficiaries by tagging these workplaces with existing and COVID vaccination center as well. This is certainly a source-based information coming in order to increase the access to vaccine while we are seeing a resurgence of COVID cases that are coming in from across the country. For more on this, let's go across to my colleague Abhishek Kapoor. Abhishek, take us through what will this really mean for all those people about the age of 45 years now that sources stating that there can be an increased access to vaccine to all those who are above 45 years.
Well, this essentially means that the government has got thinking about how to broad-base the vaccination program within the age limit that has been determined so that maximum number of people in that category get vaccinated. We have already seen some state governments, for example, doing door-to-door vaccination. We have seen that happening in Gujarat. We have seen that happening in some pockets in Punjab. So I think the government has now decided that instead of people making the effort of going to the nearest vaccination center, the vaccination centers can be mobile and move around. And for example, if there is a big society with say about 1,000 units and there are 100 or 200 people available to be vaccinated, the vaccination center can move there and get those people vaccinated. So I think, again, as I said, given the fact that there are concerns about the speed at which vaccination should happen to make sure that the second wave is contained, the curve is flattened, and the spread is stopped. The government has made this change in the strategy so that vaccination is not only available at the nearest health center, public hospital, but then also it is made mobile and it goes to, for example, societies, neighborhoods, public parks where if those many people are available, 100 plus is the size, then the mobile vaccination center can come into play.
Absolutely. In fact, Abhishek, if you can take us through, this will certainly, because there has been a growing demand for vaccination for all. And this is certainly a right step towards the same, because the government in that letter by the health secretary also mentions as to how there is a growing need to become more pragmatic as well as dynamic in the vaccination process. And now that they might be involving more and more private players as well as office places in this.
Yes, Richa. So, vaccination.
All right. Before that, let's go across to the IMA president as well, Dr. J.A. Jayalal, joining us over the phone line. Sir, this is certainly a massive step coming in from the authorities in concern that have now stated that in order to increase access to vaccine to all those above the age of 45, COVID vaccination sessions may now be organized at public and private workplaces as well.
Yeah, indeed, it is a great news that today the people we are fighting against the COVID, and this is a great boon of activity which the government of India has started. And we wholeheartedly congratulate the government for understanding the situation and initiating this effort that the vaccination will be provided to the common man at their workplace. And let it be even a small place, and whatever the help we need on a technical side, manpower side, or infrastructure side, Indian Medical Association, our fraternity is open for that, and we are ready to help with the government, and we will join with the workforce with the government and ensure that in every workplace this vaccination drive is taking place, and most are the needed, our common man will be getting the vaccination. We wholeheartedly thank the government once again for this. It's a very, very bold initiative which the government has taken today.
In fact, Dr. Jayalal, you have in fact come out and vocally also spoken about the need for vaccination for all as well. In fact, the IMA has also written that letter to the Prime Minister. Do you think that this is certainly a massive step that has been taken by the government themselves to, in fact, in a way, involve the private players, the workplaces for both public as well as government sectors?
Yes, indeed, it is a great news, and definitely we will also be part of it, and we will bring the awareness, and whatever the hesitancy is there on the public on that issue on the vaccination, we will try to see that. Along with the government, we will ask the people to come at large and participate in that. We will also participate with the government in initiating the mask protocol along with the vaccination. When we can do this both together, I'm sure in a short time we will be able to overcome this dreaded pandemic from our country.
Absolutely. Thank you, Dr. Jayalal, for joining us here on Republic TV. So certainly a massive step that has been taken towards vaccination that can be, in fact, extended further. Now, sources stating that in order to increase access to vaccines to all those above the age of 45 years, COVID-19 vaccination sessions may now be organized at public and private workplaces, having about 100 eligible and willing beneficiaries.